I'm going to install the new pickups. First I loosen the strings so I can remove the pickguard. It looks like the paint is conductive. I'm going to check it with the multimeter. We can see that it's conductive. And also the pickguard. So it's shielded. Not bad for a beginner's guitar. Here we can see the circuit. First I remove the wires that are attached to the body, so I can detach the pickguard. Now it's free. Here are the Fleor pickups. I checked the color code. Green and amber go to ground, black is hot, and white and red are coil split. That's for the humbuckers. In the single, blue is hot and black is ground. Here is the diagram. Here is how the wires go to the switch and to the tone pots. I'm gonna use just one tone pot. Here is how the coil split works. I start thinning this wire. I'm gonna use it to join the two upper lugs and solder them to ground. Now I put something on the other side, so I can solder the capacitor to it. I'm gonna use this capacitor from another guitar. I'm gonna attach this wire to it to connect it to ground. And I'm going to use this cover to protect the wire. It shrinks when heat is applied. Now I solder it and connect it to ground. Here is the volume pot. First I bend this lug and connect it to ground. Now I solder it. Now I remove the old pots. Here is the new tone pot. It fits. This is how it works. Now install the new pickups. I solder the hot wires to the switch. Ground wires to the pot cover. Now I solder the Hotrail coil split wires. The humbuckers ones would go on the other side. This is the hot wire for the single pickup. Now the humbuckers red and white. And the rest of the wires are soldered as in the original circuit. Now I solder the wires that go in the body. And put everything back in place. And this is it. I'll show if it works in the next video.